on across the road. Where is he now? I've sent to him such clear and solemn